Facebook and Instagram to adopt NFTs. Will Azuki founder run away from his current project like he did the three others? Madonna and Beeple giving birth to something in NFT space while CryptoPunk crash. And we finally have a outside trailer for you just in time for VCon. This is your NFT Alpha. Let's get it. NFTs are making their Instagram debut this week as Meta prepares a pilot test with a small number of NFT enthusiasts in the US. Instagram will support Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, and Flow blockchains NFTs and various NFT popular wallets so they can verify ownership. Users will able to create NFT profile, share the art and tag creators. They will also be able to use NFT in metaverse. All of this will supposedly to be free versus Twitter, which originally made users to pay their NFTs as their profile picture. But just remember guys, nothing is actually free. Sweet baby Reyes, our generous overlord, Mr. Zuckerberg previously stated desire to even allow users to mint their NFTs on platform, potentially bringing millions of new users in the space. As of the first quarter of 2022, Facebook had 2.93 billion users and Instagram came with this all over a billion users. Hybrid that flow will one of the networks available on Instagram. Dapper Labs CEO Roham said on Twitter, the social media integration will be game changers for NFTs like NBA Top Shot, NFL All Day, and UFC Strike, letting billions of users show off and eventually trade these assets seamlessly. Will Instagram and Facebook NFT platform bring mass adoption to the NFT space, or will this blow up Zuckerberg's face? Like that time he hired to launch his own currency? Let us know in the comment below. And Azuki founder Zoga Bond received a major Twitter lashing this week when they revealed they previously walked away from three failed projects, Trendy's, CryptoPunks and CryptoZunks. While most of the Twitterverse was sympathetic and Zagabond, explanation that they have learned from these projects and that knowledge make Arzaki successful. Many in the community were ready to burn them at the stake, accusing them of rug pulling and pretending to be female to better market CryptoZunks, along with other misdeeds. Zagabond finally issued an apology. I realized my shortcoming and how I handle prior projects, which I started. To the communities I walked away from, to Azuki holders, and to those who believed in me, I am truly sorry. The Material Modana teamed up with people to launch a series of NFTs, Mothers of Creation, showing an avatar of 63 years old pop singer giving birth to various symbolic images. A tree, butterflies, mechanical centerpiece, you name it, and Modana will giving birth to it. On a more existential level, I am giving birth to art and creativity, and we should be lost without both, Madonna said. The NFT went to auction on Super Rare on Wednesday with the proceeds going to the National Bailout V-Day and Voices of Children. We will see if Modana can pull up some profit out of her NFT auction despite the bear market, because unfortunately NFTs are struggling right now. A CryptoPunk was actually sold at an 86% on loss this Sunday. In October, this same CryptoPunk was sold for over $1 million. On Sunday, it was just sold for $140,000. CryptoPunks was one of the original NFTs platform that gained popularity in 2021, but since then it's fallen from grace. Even the team behind Bored Ape Yacht Club, Yoga Labs, which even purchased CryptoPunk back in March, has done little to boost CryptoPunks popularity. They are probably wondering if they have been punked. But on the bright side, Yuga Lab has bringed their tech demo for other side. The metaverse for the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs will be playable avatars. With the tech demo, the company put out an integrating tweet. Fragment of an obelisk have washed ashore in a biogenic swamp. Wo Jaegers yours others deed is key to helping build the other side metaverse. As we resemble the obelisk together, the other sides come to life. Then they also put a link to their website. Other side holders Akaya Vogers can harvest artifacts, codas and wear resources from their lands, potentially being able to trade or sell them on a open marketplace. Other deeds are dynamic NFTs that contains all the game elements. Each other deeds come with a set of resources and some includes a coda or more. Crypto Times explained, Since the website and demo launched, fans have searched to other sites' praises and continue to share pictures of other sites' land, some of them even creating guilds. And in turn, ApeCoin responded, becoming one of the few coins in the Green Thursday. And finally, VCoin tickets are still for sale. VCon described itself a first of its kind Web3 conference built around NFTs, pop culture, entrepreneurship, marketing, and innovation. Sponsored by the like of Coinbase, Gala Games, Pepsi, VCoin promises a star-studded lineup that include people, Snoop Dogg, and many other NFT investors, artists, and enthusiasts. VCoin will be held on the 19th May through the 22nd of May in Minneapolis. That's all I got. Thank you.